All right, it is Sunday, February 9th, 7:25, and it is foggy. We're on our way to Zitnik Swap Meet in Pinellas Park. It should be just under 2 hours. It said 1 hour and 57 minutes. So we'll be up there at the sidewalk sale having a good time.
Yeah.
So we'll see you there. All right, 9:30. We made it to Zitnik's. Here we go. Parked in McDonald's parking lot. All kind of goodies here. This is on the side, and we still got to go around to the front. A lot of Lionel and some American Flyer. These are on Lionel over here. American Flyer and some more Lionel over on that side. Some toy stuff over there. Got some HO here every once in a while. Let's go walk down here. Got some metal figures here, $24, $16, $20, $8 each, 2 for $15 up there. Oh boy. Now we're getting into the HO stuff here. Here we go with some American Flyer out in the front. Okay. Got some barbecue. And let's go take a look at what's up in front here. Debbie's getting a little bit ahead of me right here. A lot of HO stuff. All right. Here's some G scale. What do we got over here? Some big stuff there. Got some lanterns. There's some N scale right there. Hey, there you go. All righty. Some O scale stuff.
I got
more O scale over here.
20. What? 20. I got 25.
What do you got on this? 15 on that one, and I think there was another one.
Lionel. All right. Some American Flyer.
$10 for the box on the track. It's really run.
You got some HO down there. Got some rolling stock. A lot of rolling stock here. Yeah, stuff on the floor. Okay, well, I unloaded some of the stuff that we got already, and Debbie's going to sit down in the van, so I get to look for a little bit more and then go inside the store. Well, here it is from across the street, the Zitnik Trains Swap Meet in the parking lot, up in front and along the side. Pretty good. We already bought a bunch of stuff. And I put it back in the van. I'm going to go inside the store now, see if I could spend more money. Okay, I just spent some money in Zitnik's, and I'm getting ready to head out. So here it's still going strong, and we'll see you on the live stream on Wednesday for the train show haul, for the swap meet haul. There you go. Tune in on the Wednesday night live stream, where you will see the train show haul from this train show and the last one, because the last Workbench Wednesday, I got sidetracked and we just went off on a tangent somewhere. Okay, but you could see up here, this is from the last one, and then we got some over here. So, and over here. So, yeah, I got to quit buying stuff that I don't need. Okay. So, also, if you watch my other video, I'll be doing live streams at the workbench. I put out a video on Sunday afternoon about at the workbench new format. I'll be doing a lot of things at the workbench, and I record it anyway. Why not do a live stream while I'm doing it? Rumble Studio has advanced their stuff good enough to where I'm satisfied with the way it performs. So I did one Saturday night. It's a little bit over an hour long. Go take a look at that. I'm not sure how the notifications will go out. Probably not go out to YouTube. The best bet is to join me on Rumble. Follow me there and check off in the settings that you want to be notified whenever I go live or have a video coming out. That way you'll get notified right away whenever I live stream. It's going to be unscripted, unscheduled. You know, whenever I sit down there, I'm just going to turn on the computer, click on go live, and that's going to be it. I might put up a notice here and there on the community tab. I don't know. We'll see how that works. So until the next time, we'll see ya, and have fun with whatever you're doing.
At the end of the day, yeah, it's all that matters. Oh, I pray just to feel good at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you gotta feel good at the end of the day. It's all that matters. Oh, I pray just to feel